Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to your gym teed over there. Welcome back to Alex Graphics YouTube channel. Today, guys, we move. So today we want to go for how to compress your video using just only one application, using your panda compressor. Are you getting me? So let's move. This is the application I'm talking about. Download your own in the description below. So you want to send a video to your client and you don't want the image of the video to reduce you don't want to reduce the quality, but you want to reduce the MB size. So I recommended this application for you. Your video will not be blurred and come out perfectly. Like your image, your video will come out perfectly. So let's move on. Please don't forget to like this video, share to your friend, like and comment, please, and please subscribe. Okay, let me just check a video. Let me check. Okay, this is the MB size. Let me just say this is the MB size. Okay, don't want to waste much of our time. Let me just check the one 100 MB. Yes. If I'm coming, I want to check the video. I don't want the MB to be much, so I won't waste much of our time. Okay, this one is 91 MB. As you can see, this one is 91 MB. So let me just move on it and let's go on quickly. So you click on the video, you press the next. After pressing next, so is either it depends on how you want your video to come out. Are you getting me? This is the smaller size, which means your video will blur the media file and the large file. So all this one, just leave it. That's just their own problem. Just leave it. So I just tell you to click on the large file, just compress. This one will make your video come out perfectly without reducing the quality. Are you getting me? And it will reduce the MB. So let's try it. Large file. So compress. Our video is compressing right now. As our video is compressing, don't forget to like my video. Hit the like button, share and comment. Like, share and comment, please, and please subscribe. I hope you are getting something from my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, please, and help me to share this tutorial to everyone you have in your WhatsApp list, your status, anywhere. You can just help me to share it. I really appreciate your support. Love you guys. Love you all. Please don't forget to like my video, share, comment, for everyone to learn more. Most people are about to learn this with money now. If you share them this, they will pray for you. Please guys, share my tutorials, like my video, comment. I want to see your full support in comments, please. I want to see your full support. I really need full support in comments and like the video. Thanks for your support. We are now in 400 subscribers. We are moving small. We are moving gradually. We are moving every day. So thank you for support. Thank you for support. I really appreciate you all. Thank you all. Thank you all. I need more subscribers. We're about to monetize our channel, so I need more subscribers. Please share my tutorials, and if you haven't subscribed and you are watching the tutorial, please, begging you, press the subscribe button. It's free. If you hit the like button also, it's also free. If you share the tutorial, it's also free. No one will collect money from you, no one will charge you. Please, the subscribe button is free. Thanks for watching. It's still compressing though. You see, I've used compressor right now. From 91 MB, you will see what we go to now. You want to look what this is how it will stay long when you are compressing large file. When you are compressing a small file since morning, it will have just end up and give us what we have been expecting. So I don't want to use a large file, so you won't think I used 2 MB video to just do the tutorial. Are you getting me? So it's still compressing 80, so 81. Please don't forget to subscribe. Once again, like my video, share and comment. Please share the video. If it's this first time of viewing my YouTube channel, I've made many content. Scroll down and check all my videos. How to create your own application. Android application is my first tutorial. Go there and watch it. How to spy your boyfriend or girlfriend WhatsApp messages. Go there and watch it. Product package. Go there and watch it. I still have how to use your Compressor application. How to zip and unzip file. That's our recent tutorial. So how to set up your description below. Go and watch it. How to get your PNG frame using PhotoG. Go there and watch it. That one will help you in your design using Pixel app. It will help you a lot to get those frame PNG. So it's about to compress. You have to give us the results of what it's doing since morning. Okay. Still loading. You don't need to on your data. Just go down and compress the video. Then I'm good to go. Compressing. Panda is nearly done. It's about to done. I don't want to skip it or pause it just for you to know how it takes long. Are you getting me? So just watch it to the end to see the solution of what you have been waiting for since morning. Watch it to the end. So just watch it to the end. Wow, this thing is done. It's done quickly. Fast. Wow. Can you see now? Original 91 MB and it compressed it to 13 MB. And it will come out perfectly, like it will come out with a good quality. So let's save it right now. Save. So let's go there and check it. So okay, video is not here. sorry, pictures is not here. Where is it? Movie, okay. Panda video panda compressor. So here is it, 13 MB. Can you see? It come out with a good quality. Can you see? It come out with a good quality. It's come out with a good quality. It's one of my tutorial. So it come out with a good quality. Like, we all love it. Okay. If you are gaining something from my channel right now, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, like my video, share and comment. Please and please subscribe. We have done for today. Meet next tutorial with another hot cake. If you are seeing something like what you like here, maybe application or anything, and I have not provided the tutorial and you need the application, just let me know. I will send it to you. Come to my DM. I will surely send the application to you, and I won't collect any dime. I won't collect money from you. I'll just check the application here. I will send them to you if you need it. So join my group. Check the description below and tap the link just to join my group. Like my video, share and comment. Goodbye for now. Meet next tutorial with another hot cake. Goodbye for now. We move.